I'm making a buttery croque monsieur brunch bake. It is delicious. So I've got 6 croissants that I'm cutting diagonally, lengthways, so they open up like a little butterfly like this. And then I'm going to smear it with Dijon mustard. I've done 6 of them already, so they're all done. And then you get very thin ham, lovely deli ham, and pop it in the center. And then pop it into a buttered baking dish like that. All my croissants have got a gorgeous smear of Dijon mustard. This beautiful ham. Three to go. This is the ultimate brunch dish. All in one bake. Stress-free, but packed with deliciousness. And there goes my last one. And then next, I'm going to make the custard. So that's milk and double cream into a large mixing bowl. And then I'm putting in 5 eggs. We've got these beautiful eggs from our girls, which I know a lot of you know because you follow them on Instagram. We've got Burefords, we've got leg bars, and we have olives. Very happy chickens. So that's 4. One more, 5. And this is the custard that is going to soak into the croissants. Lots of pepper, freshly ground black pepper. Some sea salt. And then just whisk it all up. And then pour this over the Croque Monsieur. And with clean hands, give it a good squish so all of the croissants get completely submerged and soak up all that lovely, eggy, creamy custard. And then lastly, the Gruyère cheese, grated and scattered all on top so it melts into the croissants as it bakes. But before it bakes, pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes, or you could do it overnight. So you could get this done for tomorrow for 30 minutes, and then when it comes out, pop it into the preheated oven for 45 minutes. Ooh, God, that smells good. Look at this. Hungry, anyone? I'm starving. So you cut them out in the slices of the croissant. I know, the smell. Oh my goodness, it's so good. The Gruyère, the eggy custard, the buttery croissant, the Dijon mustard, the ham. I'm not going to be able to talk to you after this, so hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so hungry, I'm so excited about eating this.